gave me my birthday shopping present. Guys, this stuff was taking so long. It was hurting my feelings. Oh my cutie! Look at this, guys. This is so my PJs because I've never had a PJ before. I don't like to sleep with clothes, so this is my first time ordering PJ. It's too big. Oh, guys, I feel like from now on I need to be ordering extra small because I was hearing people when I'm watching like Temu reviews, people will be saying, oh my gosh, like guys, like if you're ordering, don't order small, order bigger because Temu always runs in smaller sizes. But guys, as a literally small person, this is big. Look, not that bad, it fits me, but if it was still body hug I wouldn't have minded. But this is so beautiful, perfect. This is very small. I was reading reviews and people were saying it's smaller than it looks on the picture, and I thought they were kidding. Like, this is, I love how small it is, for real. Like, this is perfect. This is, I love it. Let me see if it fits my laptop. That's the point. Oh, it doesn't fit my laptop. Okay, it fits my laptop like this, and I do not like big purses. This is so perfect, so perfect. And if you guys notice, like, it's as if all the things I ordered were mostly like pink. So this is a color, out of color variety, something that I don't usually do. I don't usually do blue, so this is maybe like something blue I can own. Like this. OMG! I mean, I'm the person that ordered this. I saw the pictures, I read the reviews, but I'm still shook. Look at this. This is nails, press-ons. It also came with a nail file. Guys, fixing nails is not my thing. I don't have the patience to go and sit down there do that stuff. It takes a lot of time, and you know what pisses me off the most? Taking it off takes more time. This was more colorful on the picture than it is here. This is the only thing that I feel like that hasn't actually been exactly. Next on the list, what is this? I know what this is already because this is the most anticipated for me. It is the most anticipated for me. It is the most anticipated for me. All this boxing, guys. My very first Jesus, this thing is so big. Hey, Chimo. Guys, I'm always dehydrated lately, and every time I'll be drinking water. So I'm like, I need me some cupsy. That's why I bought this, but almost big. It's so big. You know how people, like, if I see all these girls carrying all these things, drinking it inside their car or carrying this, going to lose small, I'll be like, people they try you. This thing I not buy it to take it outside of the house. This thing is just for inside my room because I'm shy. It's so sleek and so purplish. So I also got this crunchy white, baby pink, gray, black, brown. Next on the list, I got this bag. Oh, this bag is so pretty. Oh, it's going to be dirty fast. It's purple. I like. It's very like Galileo. For so long I've been waiting up. See, oh my gosh. This purple top. And I ordered for small Jesus. Look at how big small is it. Order for extra small. Chineke me. I was even worried that what if Should I order for medium? It's actually not that bad, but for somebody like me that don't like to like wear bra, I like my tops hugging me. I just wish I ordered for extra small. This is also like, if you have my type of body, you know that when you're ordering something, order for extra small. I said that this Canada that was telling me that I'm going to cry, that Temu will make me cry, that I'm going to do what I ordered versus what I got. But I am like the steezy. I'm a pro in ordering things. I know how to read. In fact, let me not brag, I should know that Ogum series has already schooled me. Watching her videos, like I never skip her unboxing videos. Know that your reviews are very helpful to some people like us. Okay, 10 over 10. What is this? Oh, this is a card reader. This is hair, like, you know. Oh, okay, hair massage, like this. Oh, it really feels good already. I cannot wait. Hey, what is about to be late? Earrings. Yeah, since like I'm more of like a stud wearer, these are so perfect. And last but not the least, I got this iconic gown. I saved this gown for the last because this is my favorite gown. This is my most favorite thing apart from the CP cup, because I'm actually what have this gown, the blue one. So I'm like I must get this gown. I must get this dress. You guys already know this dress. It's too big. Hey, this my body. This my body will show me shaggy. So if I order small and it's this big, what will not be my size? Because should I not go to babies and shopping? See why. Okay, so guys, this is how the gown is. I promise you, like, it's much more prettier than this. The material is kind of like chiffon material. It's not as thick as I expected it to be. Overall, I'm so like grateful for everything I got. Like, guys, I'm so happy that I feel like everything I bought are things I actually need. I not just go randomly and started shopping. You get, all the things I got are things I've been accumulating. Like, all my items came in peace. I'm so like I'm so grateful. Honestly, like I was losing my mind because these items were not here yet. I cannot wait to go and blast my reviews, and you feel me? But still, like, mind you, everything I got here, I bought. There's no free gifts, there's no nothing. Temu did not want to give me free gifts. Money well spent. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm so grateful. And once again, happy birthday to me. There are still some items that I want to get, guys, so come and help me clear my cart. Oh, bye.